market to replace the factory turbocharger on your LB7, pause, stop. LB7 STR. This is an engineered replacement for the factory turbocharger. Compromises zero spool up, competitively priced, many upgrades over the factory turbo. Let me show them to you. First improvement is this surge-proof billet compressor wheel. Very quick response, no turbo surge, no tuning required, although if the truck is tuned, even better, you're going to get more airflow. Second upgrade, let's get rid of this boost increase valve. That's 20-year-old technology. They leak, we don't need those. We use this new diaphragm and high tensile spring. This thing is going to take your stock turbocharger spring setting up from 24 psi to 33 psi, get you the airflow that you're entitled from that bigger compressor wheel. Holding that wastegate in place is this high tensile stainless steel bracket. This bracket does not flex, it does not move, it does exactly what it's supposed to do to keep that wastegate in position. On the topic of wastegates, our wastegate puck is an upgrade over factory. The factory puck can crack, leading to leaks and poor drivability. We use a stainless wastegate puck. It doesn't leak, it doesn't break, it doesn't crack. So we're using more pressure, better spring tension, get you the boost you want, and keep the wastegate safe, long-term reliable. We've been building LB7 turbochargers for 12 years. Over those 12 years, we've learned every tip and trick in the book to keep these things reliable, make sure they're sealed up, make sure you have no boost leaks, and make sure they do exactly what they're advertised to do. That means we leave no stones unturned when we build a stock turbo replacement. The name really sells the turbo short. This thing's got every little upgrade we can throw at it. When you're buying our LB7 STR, you're not just buying our entry-level turbo for the LB7. You're buying 12 years of turbo building experience in the LB7 platform from us. That means every tip and trick, every QC procedure, every machine procedure we can do to make sure this turbocharger is perfect for you, that's the benefit you're getting when you're buying our STR. Bearings. Little things. Big difference. The factory eye-high bearing in the LB7 charger doesn't have a groove in it. We switched to a groove bearing. That groove bearing allows more oil flow, better lubricity, better oil cooling in the turbocharger. Small adjustment, big safety improvement. Compressor cover sealing surface. The factory uses RTV. It works, but it's not consistent. We cut an O-ring groove. We pressure test every one of these turbochargers that goes out the door to make sure it does not have any boost leaks. We don't use the cheapo rubber hose. This is the good stuff. This hose will hold up to 450 degrees and it'll last the lifetime of the turbocharger, never to leak. I can go on. Basically everything about this turbocharger is engineered. It's QC'd, it's validated, it works, it's designed to work for a long time in your truck. If you're considering buying a stock turbocharger, don't. Buy ours, it's better. Give us a call, Duramax Tuner 815-568-7920, or buy online.